Hey everyone, here's a quick and easy way to install a Dongar power adapter on a Hyundai Ioniq 9. Let's go. Go ahead and tilt the mirror down. Next, let's take the smaller trim cover off by pulling straight down as seen here. You'll notice a 10-pin connector sitting right behind. Remember folks, you'll only see this if your vehicle is equipped with an auto-dimming rearview mirror. Now, let's go ahead and disconnect the harness by pressing up on the tab and pulling it straight out. Next, I'll grab my Dongar dashcam adapter. The one seen here is a 10-pin Type H for Hyundai and Kia vehicles. Here's what the Dongar adapter looks like. Now, I'll go ahead and connect the Dongar adapter to the vehicle's harness and connector port. I'll then tidy up the cables by tucking the excess into the plastic shroud as seen here. With everything tucked in, I'll pop the trim cover back on and attach the 2-pin connector to the Dongar USB module. Power on the vehicle to ensure the device is receiving power and you are done. So if you've been on the fence about getting a dash cam, this is as easy as it gets. Just a few minutes to get the cleanest setup. So check out Dongar Technologies and drive safe. Peace.